Hello friends, welcome to Vishwatech Like YouTube channel. So today in this video I am discussing about the Google sites. So what is Google sites and what are the benefits of the Google site. So today in this video I am going to explain the full details about it. So Google site basically is a Google product where we can create a sites and landing pages. So previously we can monetize it, so presently it is unable to monetize. We can monetize in the Blogger. So today in this video I am going to explain in details what is Google sites and how we can do that, so in detail. So before going to the video, please do subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from our channel. So first thing is friends, so Google site is a Google product where the ranking of ability will be more, so where you can divert your traffic to your blogger or any website. So you can create a free website in the Google site for the free of cost. So you can create it friends, and you can connect the domain, custom domain also. So this is the first benefit. So previously we can enable the Google AdSense like Google approval in the Google site. So presently it is removed. So presently we can't do any approval for the Google. We can't place any ads. So when we compare to the another product, so here when we write the articles, the ranking will be more. So when if you, for example, I am giving this idea, so you can drive the traffic to your blogger also. So for example, when you are not getting any traffic to your blogger, so you can just write some articles in different way, and you can click here for more information, so that the traffic will be diverted to that. So this is the first thing where you can do this. So and the second benefit is friends, so where you can create the landing pages, and also you can create your website also. So if you want a website, you can create it. If you want any landing pages also, you can create it for the free of cost. So second benefit is that this one, and the third benefit is friends, you can add the affiliate links. So if you don't know what is affiliate program, so you can earn money from it friends. So I will give the link in the description. So if you want, you can download the app and you can make the affiliate link, so that you can just paste it and you can earn starting money. You can do the affiliate website also friends. So if you want, you can do it. So if you want how to do the website in the Google site, if you want to know, please do comment down below. So if you want to know, you can comment on, so that I will be making another video how you can make an Google site. So that's all for this video friends. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please do share this video with your friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So thank you friends, thank you for watching this video.